Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the HDR effect on the RedNote app. So before you begin, first go to your app store. You want to search for the RedNote app and you want to make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Now once that's updated, let's go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you want to go ahead and tap on the three lines at the top left, which is right here. Then tap on settings. Now from here, go ahead and find general settings. And now here, you want to go ahead and find HDR effect. As you can see, it's turned on. However, for you, it'll be like this. So to turn it on, go ahead and toggle the switch to the right hand side. And now this will enable HDR effect on the videos that you watch on the RedNote app. So there you go, guys. That is how to enable or turn on the HDR effect on the videos you watch on the RedNote app. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.